Hello, this video tutorial is to help you find the books you are looking for using Worldcat. So we're going to start off by going to the Worldcat website, which is up here, worldcat.org. You're going to type that into your internet web browser search bar. And once you're on this website here, you're going to go ahead and find the search bar for within the blue box that says find items in the libraries near you. So that'll be right here. And in this, you're going to go ahead and click on the books section, and you're going to type your keywords into this search bar. So we're going to look for Vivaldi, the Red Priest, and we're going to hit search books, and we're taken to a page with search results, and we're going to go ahead and click on the first search result. Go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see that if you type in here Seattle, you'll be taken to the libraries in Seattle or the closest libraries to Seattle that have the book that you may be looking for. In this case, it'll be the Seattle Public Library that's the closest, so we can go ahead and click on that link, and it'll take us to the Seattle Public Library catalog, where you can go ahead and place a hold on the book, and you can check out through their website any other holdings, and also be able to check out the book you're looking for. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and thanks for watching.